We're here in Hana on the island of Maui, Hawaii, and we're hiking to the Red Sand Beach, which is right off of the Uakia Road. I'm sure I butchered that name. Anyway, the hike itself is actually on this relatively steep trail, which is prone to like mudslides and landslides. So there was actually a sign at the front that said, "Hey, proceed at your own risk." But it's absolutely gorgeous here. The drop is pretty steep. You don't want to fall down there. Oh wow. We'll go right out here to the ledge. And there it is. Hana's Red Sand Beach.